What's up, family? Welcome to day 5 of Intraday Market Focused. So today I'm gonna take it quite simple but very accurate on the markets to predict NASDAQ, to predict US30, to predict DAX30, and of course maybe we can go into gold if time permits. So I want you to watch till the end and probably subscribe if you do like this kind of content. Remember, we also do go live daily at New York Open, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, switch on your notification bell, and I will see you there. God bless. So we are on the market right now. We are on NASDAQ, as you can see on your screens, and I just want to go straight into business over here. Let's go to the daily time frame. I just want to guide you as I really analyze this. I'm feeling quite very charismatic this morning, and my intuition is so up, like literally, but we bless God for that. So as we can see, we did see that the markets did actually mitigate this area I was talking about last week, in the sense that we did have a fair value gap here. The market mitigated it and then also mitigated this whole supply over here. That does tell us that we're actually going to be selling. So now in terms of entry, I don't want to even waste a lot of time doing this stuff today, right? In terms of entry, we can see clearly there's a rejection candlestick, or what some of you can call a hammer over there, or what some of you can call a shooting star. That's already mitigating over here. Let me take the supply and show you. Okay, so that supply, we can see that the market is sitting on it, rejected on it, and therefore we can actually be going lower. But before we go lower, what can we get for today in terms of analysis, or rather entry? I want to go all the way to the 1 hour time frame and not even waste any more time on this. Okay, maybe we can get in gold if I don't spend a lot of time. Okay, we can see that it actually zeroed in into that 50% and actually dropped all the way. Okay, so this zone, this line that you see in between, represents 50% of that zone. Now when I take from the highest to the lowest and I stretch my Fibonacci over here, we can clearly see that two things that are happening that I've been teaching on this channel. We do have a premium market, we do have a discount market. Here we buy opportunities, here we sell opportunities. I hope you do understand that. Okay, so let me just play that back so we can have some neatness over there. So given that we have a Fibonacci, we have the 50% here, I want to go all the way and just show you where I now predict that the market can actually come in and sell. Okay, let's go to the 15 minutes. I just want to show you something very powerful over here. I'll remove this Fibonacci because I need to show you. We can actually see that there will be a head and shoulder pattern that will occur over here. We do see that there is this shoulder over here. We do see the market selling. There's the neckline that's already been broken. That's a change of character for us. We do have the head. Now the other shoulder never formed in terms of coming back to this areas over here. So I see the market coming back to this area, then selling. Why do I say that? My Fibonacci confirms everything that I'm saying. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm not sure if my camera is a bit dark or what, but I guess if you can hear me properly, then we can move. So if we take this Fibonacci, stretch it all the way again here from the highest to the toppest of that trend. It's the last week's trend over this one. It was last week Friday's buy, sales rather. So as you can see, where that Fibonacci level is, we do also have what we call a fair value gap and a breaker. So that fair value gap, we take it, it's actually going to form for us the left hand shoulder, then we can actually sell. So we go all the way to the premium markets, then we can actually start selling. So that's a very sweet spot that I'm looking forward to in today's markets. So take note of this analysis. I feel it so much in my intuition. I'm going to talk about intuition very soon in my videos because it's a big part of my trading. Now I want to go all the way now to let's go to US30. That's all right. Let's go to US30 and really break it down there, what we can actually see on this markets. So US30, we can see that it's been incredibly bullish. There is a zone that it will need to really approach first, so it's not as simple as NASDAQ. NASDAQ has done everything it needs to do on the daily time frame. So we can see that there is this supply over here that the market needs to reach. And this supply, of course, it did create for us an inducement over here that most people thought we were actually just trading, or rather about to sell off on the market. So as you can see, that is liquidity there, or rather inducement, if we can say it properly, where it's inducing a lot of traders to think we are selling off, but we're not selling off, we're gonna buy off. Now in this case, I'm not sure if some of you can see where I'm going over here, but the market is gonna sell off a bit then buy, given that we have this candlestick, previous candlestick here from Friday, that it is a spinning top. A spinning top tells us that there is gonna be soon turnaround, but it will need to retest a certain level first before it can either go up. So something like this is gonna happen this week. We're gonna get the market then and somersault from that supply there. Okay, let's go to the H1. I'll make sense right now for those. So that what may actually happen today, we can either take the Fibonacci from this level over here to this level, then we can see, but it won't give us today's move. So we rather take it from last week's end to this open over here. Then we can really get exactly what's happening. You can see the very same thing now. It's in the premium market. So we're gonna first sell off. This is what's gonna happen. We're gonna first sell off, then getting into this discount market over here, buy in this area, and then go higher. So I expect buys in this area over here. And if we can go to that area, it's actually, we call it rejection on a block in my mentorship, but it's actually a demand. If you go to a smaller time frame right now, you will see that we do have a demand over there that the market can actually fill in and actually start pushing way up. I'm sure you get what I'm talking about. So that's US30 over there. Please go check it out. Let's go to another pair there, DAX30. Let's go to DAX30, then we will stop here for today because of time. We don't want to make this video too long. Okay, we can see DAX30 aligns with NASDAQ so much, in fact, in the sense that we do have positive correlation between NASDAQ and US30 with inconsistent negative correlation. So sometimes it becomes positive, but most of the time, 80% of the time, they are negatively correlated. That means they go opposite ways. Okay, in this case, DAX30 or DAX40 with NASDAQ, they go positive. That means they align, they correlate positively, they go in the same direction. Okay, so I want to show you this supply here that the market is already sitting on. I did predict that last week that we must be sitting on this supply. So once it gets to 50% over there, we are selling. So today it's gonna get to that 50%. In fact, I'm about to get to that. In fact, as I'm doing this video, it's actually London open right now. So it's heading over there, then it will sell. And where it's heading to a fair value gap over here. I'm not sure if many of you will catch this by the time I have posted this video. If I can edit in time, then you can get it. But look at this, look at this. You can expect the market over here to sort of just, you know, where we get to that level, we have change of character over there. We do have breaks of structure, we do have liquidity that's already been taken. So having that fair value gap, so that's also, let me label it properly, where we can actually get into these levels and then actually get to sell on that 50% of that zone as well. So you see what I'm talking about over here. So but anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode. Make sure to comment down below, be descriptive in your comment, be full of rather information for another person that reads your comment to be able to learn and really understand. If you're challenging, then they can really understand and learn from that challenge in terms of challenging what I say about the prediction of this market. Thank you so much. I will see you on the live session later today. God bless you.